Take these 4 vitamins before bed to regain strength in 7 days. There's something sacred about the night. When the world slows down, when the body finally stops fighting gravity, something profound begins: repair. The heartbeat softens, the breath deepens, and beneath the surface, a quiet army of cells goes to work rebuilding what the day took away. It's the unseen magic of recovery. Muscles healing, nerves resetting, hormones balancing, tissues rebuilding. But what most people don't realize is this: the body can only rebuild what it has the raw materials for. If your energy has been low, your sleep shallow, your mornings dull, it's not just exhaustion, where it's depletion. Every day, your body burns through its vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like fuel, and if you don't refill the tank, your system slowly shifts into survival mode. That's when you wake up tired no matter how long you sleep. But here's the good news. Science now shows that taking the right vitamins before bed can transform how you recover. Not caffeine, not pre-workouts, not fancy powders. Just targeted nutrition timed with your body's natural healing window. Because between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your body is in peak regeneration mode. Feed it right then, and you amplify everything: muscle repair, immune strength, even emotional stability. So, what are the 4 vitamins your body craves most at night? The ones that help you regain your strength in just 7 days. Let's begin with the foundation: magnesium. This mineral isn't just a supplement, it's your body's relaxation signal. Magnesium calms the nervous system, lowers cortisol, and promotes the release of GABA, the neurotransmitter that helps you fall asleep deeply. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows that magnesium deficiency leads to restless sleep, anxiety, and muscle cramps. But when you restore it through foods like almonds, leafy greens, or a gentle supplement, your muscles relax, your mind quiets, and your body finally gets the deep rest it's been begging for. Think of magnesium as nature's off switch, the nutrient that allows every repair system to turn on. It might sound strange, vitamin D at night, but this sunshine vitamin does far more than build bones. It's a hormone regulator that works hand in hand with melatonin, your sleep hormone, and testosterone, your strength hormone. Most people are deficient in it, especially those who work indoors or live in polluted cities, and when vitamin D levels fall, fatigue rises. The Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that low vitamin D levels are directly linked to muscle weakness, poor sleep, and low immunity. Supplementing at night when your body naturally lowers cortisol helps D3 bind more effectively with receptors in your cells, restoring your circadian rhythm. It's like giving your body a dose of daylight without the stress. Vitamin D also supports calcium absorption and mitochondrial function, the energy generators inside your cells. When you sleep, your mitochondria recharge, clearing oxidative stress built up during the day. Vitamin D acts like the conductor of that orchestra, coordinating recovery across muscle fibers and immune cells. Pair vitamin D with magnesium, and you unlock synergy. Magnesium activates the enzymes that allow vitamin D to function. Without one, the other falters. That's why nutritionists call them the dynamic duo of recovery. In just 7 nights of consistent intake, people often notice changes: less morning stiffness, deeper sleep, more stable energy. Because when your vitamin D levels stabilize, your body stops running on emergency mode and starts operating like it was designed to. The key is timing. Take D3 with a small amount of healthy fat like avocado or olive oil, 1 to 2 hours before bed. Let it settle into your system as you unwind. As your body drifts into sleep, the hormonal orchestra begins: melatonin rising, cortisol falling, testosterone balancing, and strength quietly rebuilding. Sleep isn't passive. It's the most active thing your body does all day. The 3rd vitamin to take before bed is one most people underestimate: vitamin C. We think of it as something to fight colds, but its deeper role is regeneration. Vitamin C fuels collagen synthesis, detoxifies free radicals, and supports the adrenal glands, those tiny organs that regulate stress hormones. When you take vitamin C at night, it helps lower cortisol levels and repair the micro damage in your tissues caused by daily stress and oxidation. The European Journal of Nutrition found that consistent vitamin C intake improved recovery speed in athletes and reduced oxidative stress after sleep deprivation. Think of it as a nighttime cleaner, sweeping through your bloodstream, neutralizing inflammation so your cells can rest. But vitamin C works best with its partner, the B-complex vitamins, especially B6 and B12. They're essential for energy metabolism and nervous system repair. B6 helps your body convert tryptophan into serotonin and serotonin into melatonin, meaning better mood and deeper sleep. B12 supports red blood cell formation, ensuring oxygen delivery during overnight tissue repair. Together, vitamin C and B complex form the spark your cells need to recharge. When combined with magnesium and vitamin D, they form a complete circle: relaxation, repair, energy, balance. If you've been waking up groggy, craving coffee, or losing motivation, it's not laziness, it's biochemical exhaustion. Every stressor you face depletes these vitamins. When you restore them, especially at night, your body remembers its natural rhythm: energy during the day, recovery at night. Nutritionists often call this circadian supplementation, aligning what you take with when your body needs it. These vitamins don't just make you stronger, they make your strength sustainable. Here's how you put it all together. Before bed, about an hour after dinner, take magnesium 200-400 milligrams, preferably glycinate or citrate form, vitamin D3 1000-2000 IU with a teaspoon of healthy fat, vitamin C 500 mg for gentle overnight detox, vitamin B complex, preferably with B6 and B12 in active methylated forms. Sip a glass of water or warm herbal tea, not to flush, but to support circulation. Then turn off your screens, dim the lights, and let your body shift into rest mode. Over the next 7 days, you'll notice subtle shifts first: calmer evenings, lighter mornings, fewer energy crashes, then deeper ones. Steady focus, better workouts, less irritability, because when your body finally gets what it needs, it stops whispering for help. Science calls it nutrient repletion. You'll call it coming back to life. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup, and your body can't rebuild from depleted stores. But when you give it the building blocks: magnesium to relax, vitamin D to regulate, vitamin C to repair, and B vitamins to recharge, it responds fast. By day 7, most people describe a kind of clarity, as if a fog has lifted. Muscles recover faster, sleep feels deeper, and the world feels a little lighter. That's not placebo. That's biology rediscovering balance. Because strength isn't built in the gym, it's built in recovery. And recovery isn't passive, it's participation. So tonight, give your body what it's asking for, the nutrients it's been quietly missing. Because the path to strength isn't about pushing harder, it's about healing smarter. If you found value in this video, leave a like, subscribe, and let's grow together. Nutrition and Rise.